Lucas skips through the sunny park, his laughter echoing as Peluche, his playful puppy, bounds joyfully beside him. Stopping abruptly, Lucas holds up his hands, his cheerful face wrinkling in mock dismay at the sight of the dirt. "Peluche, look! Our hands are dirty!" Lucas exclaims, his voice light with amusement as he speaks to his furry friend. Peluche barks, tail wags, agreeing with Lucas. Lucas and Peluche enter a bathroom bathed in stark light, their reflections sharp against the tile. Lucas turns to Peluche, his face etched with worry and a hint of hopeful expectation. "What should we do? What should we do?" Lucas asks, his voice barely a whisper in the bright room. A sudden shift as Lucas breaks into song, his tone surprisingly cheerful and loud. "Time to wash our hands. Scrub, scrub, scrub," he sings, the repetitive lyrics filling the small space. The bright light accentuates the contrast between his anxious words and joyful melody. Lucas and Peluche are side by side at the bathroom sink, ready to wash their hands. Lucas pumps soap, a small amount filling his hands as he prepares to get clean. Lucas sings, "Wash, wash, wash your hands, wash them every day." Peluche responds with enthusiasm, barking, "Woof, woof." Lucas grins, watching Peluche battle a mountain of soap. Lucas teases, "Ha ha, too much soap, Peluche." Lucas instructs, "Rub your hands, front and back." Peluche echoes, "Rub your hands, front and back." Lost in the suds, Lucas shows Peluche washing fingers at the sink. Water cascades, clear and sparkling, reflecting the cheerful bathroom light as a lesson unfolds. "Don't forget the crack," Lucas says, emphasizing each step with playful precision. He continues, his voice ringing with joy. "Fingers, fingers, 1, 2, 3. Clean hands make us happy." Peluche watches intently, mimicking Lucas's movements with growing confidence. The simple act of hand washing becomes a moment of shared joy and connection between them. In the bright bathroom light, Lucas and Peluche stand, a boy and his dog, united in a shared moment. Lucas beams, holding up his clean hands for Peluche's inspection. "Look, Peluche, clean hands." Peluche responds with an enthusiastic woof. Tail wags, a flurry of pure joy. Lucas, filled with childlike delight, declares, "Clean hands are the best." The pair gaze at their clean hands and pause, a simple pleasure amplifying their bond in the radiant light.